Hello, my name is Arif. I am currently now studying BSc second sem in a Loyola College Manvi, and also I go the 100 out of 100 in mathematics when I am studying in a second PUC. So today's is a very interesting topic, that is the role of mathematics in modern technology. It's a very great pleasure to me take this topic for the seminar because technology is a very important technology. How the technology is included by the mathematics. Okay, na? It is by Arif, Loyola College Manvi, Raichur, Karnataka State. Okay, it's a very great pleasure for me because the modern technology. Okay, so mathematics to most is a complex and difficult subject, but the technology has changed the whole mathematics. We know that every student is suffering from the mathematics is a very difficult subject because that's a difficult subject, but today's technologies are there na, that technology have changed the whole mathematics. So how the technology changed the mathematics? We know that Euclid mathematics is there, Ramanujan's mathematics is there. They are very different from one another because thus values what are included there, they are the same, but whatever we doing, that's different because in ancient there is no any technology, but nowadays there is so much technology. How the technology included in modern technology? So now one by one we discuss. Okay na? So here, before the discussing, first one is the what is the role is nothing but a function or a position or characteristic. And what is mathematics? Mathematics is nothing but the study of measurement properties and relationships of quantities and sets using numbers and symbols. Okay na? And next thing is that modern technology refer to the tools and machines that are used to solve the problems of the real world and represent a group of modern techniques. Okay na? So now is there where we can use the mathematics. What will be there in the modern technology? Now discuss one by one. First one is the saving and credit. We know that saving and credit in our banking field, saving and credit in a banking field, interest is calculated and added at the end of a certain time period. You might have a savings account that offer 3% interest rate annually. At the end of each year, the bank multiplies the principal, the amount in the account, by the interest rate of 3% to compute what you want in interest. If we calculate with a pen and paper, then the so many rush in front of bank. But today's technology is there na, like computer, laptop in a banking field, they helped and they solve this problem within a second. So like 3% of interest is there, and after the each year, how whatever the interest is there, they will calculate it within a seconds. Okay, like this step. And next one is the calculator. Calculator is the most more familiar to the our mathematics. Like calculator use a mathematics symbols, implement the operation within seconds. And nowadays some calculators is like that, making the graph of data like y equal to x square, then that graph will be drawn, and that graph is then parabola like y equal to x square. And some of their enhance, these calculator enhance the teaching and learning of mathematics, teaching for the teachers and learning for the students. Like, and whatever may be there, algebra is there, analytic is there, geometry and calculus, like this type of the some of the material they used to be as a technology for the mathematics. And next one is the engineering field. In engineering field, without a technology we can't do anything, because today engineering student is also using the technologies like laptop is there. And today if they do not have laptop, then the government will be giving them laptop, like stress analysis of machine components using the finite element package, and calculations of mass flow in stem power plant and core radiator. And next thing is that it's a very important, whatever now we discussed in engineering field, that computer is the more fundamental for the our mathematics, because whenever we doing the programs and whatever maybe we'll get the output is there na, so that output will be defined by the computers. Okay, so like computer is generally known as the machine that influences data and information according to the given instructions. There are many different type of computers or systems are used in our home purpose and office purpose. By using the course in translating the data. It's also very useful of the computer in modern technology. When we do the computer science, without a computer we can't do anything in a computer science, because there is so many programs are there and we will get the output within a seconds, because their technology is developed under computer or laptop. And next thing is that is a business. Yeah, we know that very well. In business, when we go out of the home to buy something, then we buy the some things, then their rate or their price will be calculated by the some of the material like calculator. And some of the companies they also use the laptop, and some of the company they also use the computer. Like this type of the materials or like this type of the technology they involved in business field also, that is also mathematics. So there are numerous different online or other companies in the entire world. There are numerous, like Puma is there, so many companies are there. So we can buy something, then they will be the calculate within a seconds. There is no need to worry about anything. There is a clear solution, there is clear, all the clear in front of us. Okay. And next thing is the railway field. Railway field, before we entering the railway field, we must know the knowledge of mathematics. After the entering railway department, we must do on the work of mathematics, because there is some materials, computer is there in the railway department that will be used as a very especially, or very especially for the ticketing field or so many field. They also using the some of the translating the data. Like this type of the railway field is also very important. And in research field, we use the mathematics. How? Because some of the like sun and moon or whatever, there is a distance in between these two, like this type of there. So we can measure within our room or our class, our research field. So we can use, we whatever we can imagine that things will happen in front of our eyes. In case of research field, the research field is also developed by modern technology. So like this type of mathematics involved in a different several type of the several types, in case of modern days. Okay. So I really thanks to the department of mathematics, St. Aloysius College Autonomous Mangalore, for organizing this program, and they enhance our talent for this seminar. And thank you, very really thank you to them, because these seminars are conducted by the St. Aloysius College Autonomous Mangalore Department of Mathematics. Really thank you. And I heartily thanks to the Department of Mathematics, Loyola College Manvi Raichur, for picking me for this seminar. And thank you for the Department of Mathematics lectures and all of you. Thank you.